Ladies and gentlemen, my name is DJ Skills 254 and welcome back. This is my YouTube channel. So today I'll be telling you guys on how to do the backspin like this. So I'll be playing it. Yeah, so let me adjust the volume of my microphone so that I'm clear and audible at the same time. So what you do here first, we want to duplicate this. We want to duplicate this on this side here, yeah, so that we get something like this. Something like this. Yeah, so after that we will copy this and paste it around here, yeah, so that it becomes a loop. Yeah, if I bring my loop region over here, then loop it and get something like this. What I'm coming to do here is I'm going to split the first three. So in this part, the first three. So in this part here I'm going to leave 3. So in this part here I'm going to leave 3. So in this part here I'm going to leave here. So in this part here I'm going to leave here. So skip 3, I'm going to leave here. Then skip 3, I'm going to leave here. Then skip 3 boxes. Then skip 3 boxes. This is 1. Skip 3 boxes. This is 1, 2, 3. Split, then split, then split, then split. Then do the same for all other boxes. Yeah, so I'm going to come back here, then split until I get until these last ones, the other ones I get 1 box each. So I'm going to leave this at 2, at 1, then these ones at 2. So after that I pick the selection tool, yeah, then I'm going to make these ones, pick them up to 6, yeah, to ensure that the voices are high. Then I'm going to pitch the other ones at around 12, then the rest I'm going to pitch them up to 24. Control, then press twice the equal sign. So let me make this 24. Yeah, so I'll get something like this. Yeah, something like that. So in this part here, I came to virtual DJ, yeah, and placed the same song. So this is one of my tricks. I placed the same song, then started recording a backspin sample. To record a backspin sample, you come to mapping, then you go to enter this keyboard mapping, yeah, like one effect packaging active while pressed and effect echo active while pressed. Then with the way it is silent, you just click on, yeah, you will get sounds like that. Then save it. After saving it, you drag it to Sony ACID. After drag it, you bitmap it to the same BPM as the original song. That's 103. Yeah. Then you take these ones also to 103. Then after that, you also drag them. You drag and drop them. You choose what is best for you. Yeah. You choose what's best for you. Then you drag it over here. Yeah. So let me paste this. Copy. Then let me paste in. Listen to it first. Then paste. Yeah, so we get something like this. Yeah, so if I begin from the starting point, so if I drag that and bring it over here, you will get the same thing. Yeah. So let me start playing so that you compare and contrast. Yeah. So thank you very much. That was my time DJ skills over here.